is wireless also, by the way. You charge it, it's got a rechargeable battery in here, but you can charge it and then unplug it and take it around wireless with you, so you don't have to worry about always being connected to the cord. As you can see, we have several different lights in here, and we've got different strengths. That's the best thing about this lamp, you guys, is you can go from 6 watts all the way up to 48 watts, and that's perfect for different instances and different types of resin that you're using. When you want to cure something really slow, you're going to go with the lower wattage, and then something that's like the skim coat for your pens and everything, you're going to want to go with the 48 watt.